When it comes to engines that just won't quit, Japan has built a reputation the entire automotive world respects. From high-mileage daily drivers to legendary performance machines, some Japanese engines are known to run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers with minimal issues. In this video, we're exploring the most reliable Japanese engines ever made. The power plants that made brands like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan famous for unmatched durability. If you've ever wondered which engines can truly last a lifetime, you're in the right place. Today we will talk about the most reliable Japanese engines ever made. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Why Japanese engines are considered the gold standard of reliability. Japanese engines have earned a global reputation for unmatched reliability, long service life, and mechanical simplicity combined with advanced engineering precision. The concept behind When it comes to engines that just won't quit, Japan has built a reputation the entire automotive world respects. From high-mileage daily drivers to legendary performance machines, some Japanese engines are known to run for hundreds of thousands. Brands like Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and Mazda built their reputations by focusing on efficiency, conservative tuning, and long-term durability rather than extreme stress or short-lived performance gains. This philosophy has resulted in engines that can easily cross 300,000 to 500,000 kilometers when properly maintained. 2. Engineering philosophy behind Japanese engine reliability. The foundation of Japanese engine reliability lies in strict engineering discipline and conservative design principles. Unlike some manufacturers that push engines close to their mechanical limits for performance gains, Japanese automakers often design engines with a built-in safety margin. This means components like pistons, crankshafts, and cylinder heads are engineered to handle more stress than they are typically exposed to during normal driving conditions. Companies such as Toyota Motor Corporation and Honda Motor Company Limited emphasize long-term testing cycles, where engines are run for hundreds of thousands of simulated kilometers before production approval. Another key factor is material quality control, where precision manufacturing ensures minimal tolerance errors. Additionally, Japanese engines often use simpler designs with fewer unnecessary complexities, reducing failure points. 3. Toyota's legendary bulletproof engines, built for longevity. Toyota is widely recognized as the global leader in engine reliability, producing some of the most indestructible engines ever made. One of the most famous examples is the 2JZ GTE, known for its incredible strength and ability to handle extreme horsepower even in stock form. Another highly respected engine family includes the 1NZ-FE and 2ZE-FE, which are commonly found in Corolla and Prius models and are known for their ability to run smoothly for decades with minimal maintenance. Toyota's hybrid engines, such as those used in the Prius lineup, are also engineered for long life because they operate under optimized thermal and mechanical conditions. The engineering focus is not just on power but on efficiency, low wear, and reduced internal stress. Toyota's philosophy ensures that even high-mileage vehicles continue to operate reliably without major engine overhauls. 4. Honda engines. High revving precision with exceptional durability. Honda has built its reputation on producing engines that combine reliability with high revving performance and mechanical efficiency. Engines like the K20 and K24 series are widely regarded as some of the most balanced and durable four-cylinder engines ever created. These engines are known for their smooth power delivery, strong aluminum block construction, and advanced I-VTEC system, which optimizes valve timing for both efficiency and performance. Even though Honda engines are designed to rev higher than many competitors, they maintain impressive longevity due to precision engineering and low internal friction. The company's engineering philosophy focuses heavily on airflow efficiency, combustion optimization, and lightweight internal components that reduce stress on moving parts. 5. Nissan engines' strength, turbo legacy, and engineering evolution. Nissan has produced some of the most iconic and durable engines in Japanese automotive history, especially in both performance and utility segments. One of the most legendary examples is the RB26DETT engine, used in the Nissan GT-R R32 and R34 models, known for its robust iron block and high tuning potential. Another widely respected engine family is the QR25DE, which has powered many Nissan sedans and SUVs with consistent reliability. Nissan's engineering approach often focuses on strong bottom-end durability, making engines capable of handling stress from both daily driving and performance tuning. While some Nissan engines in the early 2000s faced criticism for minor issues, continuous improvements have significantly enhanced modern reliability standards. 6. Mazda and Subaru. Unique engineering with long-term reliability. Mazda and Subaru represent two different but equally important approaches to Japanese engine reliability. Mazda is known for its Sky Active technology, which focuses on high compression ratios, fuel efficiency, and reduced engine strain. Engines like the Sky Active G Series are designed to maximize combustion efficiency while minimizing carbon buildup and wear over time. Mazda's engineering philosophy emphasizes lightweight construction and reduced mechanical complexity, which contributes to long-term durability. On the other hand, Subaru uses its signature boxer engine layout, which provides a low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution. Engines like the EJ20 and FB series are known for their stability and smooth operation, although they require proper maintenance due to their unique horizontal design. Subaru engines are widely used in all-wheel drive systems, making them popular in regions with challenging driving conditions. 7. Real-world durability. Why these engines last so long. The real-world longevity of Japanese engines is one of the most important reasons for their global reputation. Many Toyota and Honda engines are known to exceed 400,000 kilometers with only routine maintenance such as oil changes, timing belt replacements, and basic servicing. Fleet operators, taxi companies, and long-distance drivers frequently report engine lifespans that surpass expectations. One major factor behind this durability is the conservative tuning approach, which ensures that engines are rarely pushed to their absolute mechanical limits. Another factor is superior cooling system design, which prevents overheating, a major cause of engine failure in many vehicles. 8. The legacy of Japanese engine reliability. The AW87. The most reliable Japanese engines ever made showcases how Japan has mastered the art of long-lasting automotive engineering. From Toyota's bulletproof reliability to Honda's high-revving precision, Nissan's performance-driven durability, and Mazda and Subaru's unique engineering approaches, each manufacturer contributes to a legacy built on trust and endurance. These engines are not just mechanical components. They represent decades of research, testing, and refinement focused on real-world usability and long-term ownership satisfaction. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.